Here are 10 ChatGPT power words to get 10x better answers from ChatGPT for free without any additional work. Most people type something basic like, write me a post, get total slop back, and blame the AI. The prompt is the problem. And the fix is one word. These are 10 single words. Paste one in front of any prompt, and the answer instantly gets sharper, more honest, and more useful. And they work everywhere. Claude, ChatGPT, any model you already use. Quick favor before we start. Hit like and hit subscribe because there is a lot more of this coming. Power word 1, the one that stops the AI from kissing up to you. Type truth mode in caps right before your question. Watch. Truth mode. I want to make faceless short videos. Is this a good business to make $10,000 a month? Without the power word, you get a pep talk. With it, you get a business analysis. No flattery, no glazing, no telling you your idea is amazing when it is not. Just the truth. Straight. Claude treats it like a viability check, not hype. Yes, it can work, but not if the plan is post shorts and collect platform pennies. Then it walks the real math. What would actually make it work? The biggest risk, and an honest final verdict. Can it make 10K a month? Yes. Will it from views alone? No. That one honest answer just saved you 6 months of finding out the hard way. And it works mid-conversation. Anytime the answers start feeling too agreeable, type truth mode on its own line and watch the tone change. Power word 2, ELI 10. Explain it like I'm 10 years old. Same chat. I type nothing else, just Eli 10, and Claude translates its whole last answer into plain language. Here is how it explained the whole business back. Imagine a lemonade stand. The bad plan is hoping the crowd walking by pays you just for existing. The better plan is using that crowd to sell lemonade and cookies. Faceless videos are the crowd. Attention alone barely pays. The offer behind it does. Use Eli 10 whenever an answer sounds smart, but you could not repeat it to a friend. If you cannot retell it, you do not own it yet. It boils everything down to the part that actually matters. Power word 3, red team. Borrowed from cybersecurity, where one team's entire job is attacking the plan. Type red team and Claude switches sides. Now its job is to poke holes in your logic and find your blind spots before reality does. And it does not hold back, even a little. On the faceless shorts plan, it comes back swinging. Here is why this might not work for you. Reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. And then the one that stings. You may hate the actual work. That last one is the one nobody wants to hear. The red team verdict. Do not do this if the plan is automate videos and get rich. Run red team before you spend money, quit anything, or launch anything. Losing the argument in the chat is a lot cheaper than losing it in your bank account. And when your plan survives the attack, you are ready for my favorite one. Power word 4, Hormozi. Named after Alex Hormozi, one of the best free business teachers on the internet. Type that one name and Claude answers from his playbook of sales, offers, and volume. And his take on our shorts idea is blunt. You do not have a video business. You have an attention channel. So the question is not, can videos make money? It is, can videos bring you 50 buyers a month? The formula is a chain. Niche times pain times offer times volume times conversion. 50 people buying a $200 offer is 10K a month. And the advice lands simple. Build the offer first and keep it stupid simple. Pick one buyer. Make 100 videos aimed at that one buyer. Volume with a target beats volume with a prayer. Power word 5, /human. This one belongs in everybody's back pocket. Type /human, then what you want written. Watch. /human. Write a LinkedIn post about Danielle LaFleur, founder of Easiest Pie AI. And what comes back actually sounds like a person. No dear network, no rocket ship emojis, no in today's fast-paced world. Just a clean, direct post that reads like a human wrote it. This one is genuinely postable, as is. It is not perfect, but it beats the robot voice 10 times out of 10. Same request, 2 results. Default mode reads like a press release. /human reads like you on a good day. One word is the difference. It works on emails, captions, scripts, anything. /human first, then the ask. Power word 6, FUTUREYOU. This one is a mirror. Give it a real situation. I'm stuck at a full-time job, but I want more control over my time and money. What should I do next? Then type the word, FUTUREYOU. Claude answers as the version of you who already made it. Writing back in time, FUTUREYOU says, you do not need to quit your job right now. You need to buy your freedom in stages. The job is not the enemy. Your job is your investor. It funds the experiment until the experiment can fund you. Run it when you are stuck. It is surprisingly hard to argue with your own future, and the longer you have used Claude, the sharper this one gets, because it builds the answer out of everything it already knows about you. Power word 7, unlearn. Fair warning, this one stings a little. Type it alone, anytime. It reads everything it has picked up from your chats, your habits, your assumptions, your excuses, and lists the beliefs holding you back. It is an audit of your own head. Unlearn the idea that freedom comes from one dramatic leap. It comes from stacked proof. Unlearn, I need the perfect idea. Unlearn, I need to feel confident first. Unlearn, my job is keeping me stuck. People are always shocked by what it noticed. The machine has receipts. Run Unlearn every month or two. It is a checkup for your thinking. Power word 8, 80-20. 20% of what you do drives 80% of what you get. The trick is knowing which 20. Type 80-20 and Claude sorts your whole situation into the few moves that matter and the pile that does not. For the stuck at a job example, it gets specific. The 20% is selling one simple AI offer to real people while the job funds the experiment. Then it hands you the weekly actions. Same actions every week, tracked like a workout. Track your inputs, do them every single week, and let the outputs surprise you. 2 bars. The short one is the work that pays. The long one is everything else. Most people pour their whole week into the long bar and wonder why nothing moves. And the second half of the answer is the gold, because it tells you what to ignore. Saying yes to 10 different things is not focus, it is delusion. Focus is saying no. So Claude lists everything you should stop doing, so the 20% actually gets your attention. Consistency over a long horizon. That is the entire cheat code. Power word 9, Socrates. The philosopher who taught by asking questions. Type Socrates and the script flips. Instead of giving you answers, Claude starts interrogating your thinking, one question at a time. And its first question stopped me cold. What are you actually trying to escape? The job itself? The income ceiling? The schedule? Or the feeling that your potential is being wasted? Each one has a different solution. Then it keeps going. What evidence do you have that people want to learn from you specifically? Are you building freedom or avoiding discomfort? Answer every question honestly, and if you do not know, say, I do not know. The point is not passing the quiz. The point is finding out what you actually think. Every other power word makes the AI smarter. This one makes you smarter. Last one, power word 10, LINDYMODE, the hype filter. Type LINDYMODE, and Claude ignores everything trendy and answers only from principles that have worked for 100 years and will keep working. Every week, there is a shiny new tool that supposedly just killed every other tool. Most of that is manufactured FOMO because panic gets clicks. So what do people actually pay for? Not AI tools. They pay to make money, save time, reduce pain, gain status, avoid risk, and get more capable. That list never changes. Prompts change, algorithms change. What people want has not changed in 100 years. Chase the trend and you start over every month. Build the timeless skills, selling, writing, teaching, distribution, trust. And every new tool just makes you faster. Use the trendy thing to build the timeless thing. That is all 10. 10 single words that completely change what Claude and ChatGPT hand back. And every one of them is free, and they stack. Truth Mode plus REDTEAM plus 80-20 on one decision is a free advisory board that never gets tired. Truth Mode, Eli 10, Red Dream, Hormozi /human, FUTUREYOU, Unlearn, 80-20, Socrates, LINDYMODE. Screenshot this one. Try these in a fresh chat and tell me in the comments which power word hits hardest. Hit like and hit subscribe because there is a lot more where this came from, and I will see you in the next one.